Hi, this is Don from 3Design Products, and today we're going to do a very informal video showing a build of a Stormtrooper head in a Z-Print 650.
Here's our Z-Print 650. Fits right into a cubicle space in our office. Very simple. Alright, we're going to start with an easy model today, and we're going to make a Stormtrooper. Something everybody knows, and reasonably simple. We have the Stormtrooper in our Z-Print software, and that is the build chamber there. And this is how where it'll be placed in the build chamber in the printer. We can use the Z-Print to run our print time estimator, which details exactly what's being used, and it lists there how long the part will take to get made. 3 hours, 31 minutes. Okay, we have our part ready to print. Very simple. File, 3D print, just a confirmation box, more confirmation boxes, checking print status, printer heads, binder levels, powder levels, making sure everything's ready there to build. There's print, and it initiates the build layer by layer. Over at the printer, it's now going to lay out the powder in preparation of the build. It does this layer by layer until it fills up the build chamber. So in the build chamber, there's a layer of powder goes down, and the print head goes across and drops down binder wherever there was a solid in our 2D CAD design. Another layer of powder, more binder. Showing an update after about 10 minutes or so of build, and you can see the base being built there. Another layer of powder, and the inkjet head, more binder, and some ink as well to give it color. We're about an hour and 20 minutes into the build here, and again, a layer of powder, inkjet head going across, dropping binder and ink wherever it may be applicable. There's the ink on the outside there, and the rest is just the binder. Okay, next update. We're about 2/3 of the way through, if not a little more. The build's been going for approximately 2.5 to 3 hours. Again, it's the build chamber drops as each layer of powder is added onto the last, and that's why it continues to be a flat surface. As well, I just want to point out that the machine is running while I'm talking. And it gives you an idea, this is in my office, it gives you an idea of how loud it is while the machine operates. It's incredibly quiet. It's no louder than a normal office printer you would have in any office environment. We are now at layer 915 of 914, which means it's just finishing up. And it approximately took 4 hours. Okay, our model's had time to dry, and we have to clean off the powder. So the first question is, where is it? We change our settings to vacuum, turn on our vacuum. Vacuum starts, and we start removing the powder. Powder gets recycled back into the machine to be used again on another build. Okay, we're almost at the end, clearing out the powder. Took a couple minutes, and we have our model in the back corner. I'm just going to pick it out of there. And seriously, under there is our Stormtrooper head. We just have to vacuum off the powder. Okay, we have our Stormtrooper head. The basic depowdering is off. The majority of it's gone. And now we're going to move it over to our post-processing unit on the Z-Print 650, which is over here. Okay, so now we use the little wand and we blow off our excess powder. And as you can see, our little Stormtrooper is coming to life. Okay, we finished our model. We didn't do a great deal of sanding because it's just demonstration purposes. We pulled down the processing tray, which is this piece right here. And with the carbon filter the machine comes with, it allows you to finish the model inside the machine, and it filters out any of the excess, just the smell more or less. So we'll do that now. Okay, so we are just going to take our model and dip it in our Z-Bond. As you can see, the colors come up much brighter. Try and get it all over it. The Z-Bond that remains will simply be recycled and reused. It's just fine. Put it back in its container and reuse it for our next model. That's it. Model's done. Picked up. It's very robust. You know, it's not. People think it's powder. Very strong. We can cure it. We can add more of the Z-Bond to allow it to become harder if needed, but very robust.
Well, that was it. We rebuilt our Stormtrooper head on our Z-Print 650. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a simple process to do, and if you were interested to learn more about Z-Print and how it can help your business, please give me a call at 604-531-1228 or email at 3designproducts@gmail.com. Thank you.